Hello everyone and thank you for tuning in. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. In this video, I'm comparing the JMGO N3 4K and the JMGO N3 Ultimate to help you decide which premium laser projector is the better fit for your entertainment space. Just a friendly reminder, you can pick up your own JMGO N3 4K and JMGO N3 Ultimate on bestbuy.ca. These two projectors look similar and share many features, but they are built for different users. The N3 4K focuses on making premium home cinema simple, while the N3 Ultimate adds more brightness, stronger HDR support, and enhanced gaming performance. Let's take a closer look at what separates them. No matter which model you choose, you're getting the same premium JMGO foundation. Both projectors use triple laser technology to produce a sharp and colorful 4K image. They can create a massive picture of up to 300 inches, giving movies, games, and sporting events a much larger sense of scale than a traditional television. Both models also include Google TV with Netflix built in, so you can access popular streaming services directly from the projector without connecting a separate media player. Their integrated gimbal designs make it easy to adjust the projection angle, while automatic setup features help straighten and focus the image. This makes either projector easier to position than a conventional fixed body model. They also share a clean, premium design that fits naturally into a living room or dedicated entertainment space. The JMGO N3 4K is the best balance for the home theater experience. The N3 4K model is also the one I would recommend to most people looking to build a premium home theater without paying for performance they might not need. Its bright 4K image works especially well for evening movie nights, streaming shows, and everyday entertainment. Colors look vibrant, fine details remain sharp, and the large projected image gives familiar content a more cinematic presentation. The N3 4K also features Dolby Audio, providing clear dialogue and a wider, more immersive sound that you might not expect from a projector's built-in speakers, but the N3 4K sounds great. It's an excellent option if you're upgrading from a large screen TV or creating a dedicated movie space. You still get the triple laser experience, but in a model that emphasizes value, flexibility, and simplicity. The JMGO N3 Ultimate is built for more demanding setups. It takes that same foundation from the N3 4K and pushes its performance to the max. Its biggest advantage by far is its brightness. The added light output helps the image remain more visible and vibrant in rooms with windows, lamps, or other sources of ambient light. You'll still achieve the best projector performance in a darker environment, but the N3 Ultimate gives you more flexibility when controlling the room's lighting isn't always possible. It also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10, allowing compatible movies and shows to deliver brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and more noticeable contrast. This can make cinematic scenes feel richer and give colorful content more visual impact. Gaming is another area where the Ultimate model stands out. Its low latency gaming support can be as low as 1 millisecond in compatible configurations, making controls feel more immediate in racing games, shooters, fighting games, and other fast-paced experiences. The N3 Ultimate also includes DTS audio support for a more spacious sound presentation. This is the model for someone who wants the brightest image, stronger HDR performance, and the best gaming capabilities available between these two models. Let's look at the side-by-side differences between the two models. And when it comes to the important differences, they're less about numbers and more about what you will notice during everyday use. For example, the N3 4K is already bright enough for a wide range of home cinema setups, but the N3 Ultimate holds up better in rooms with more ambient light. Both models produce a colorful 4K image, although Dolby Vision gives the Ultimate an advantage when watching compatible HDR content. Casual gamers should be well served by the N3 4K. However, frequent or competitive players will appreciate the lower latency available from the N3 Ultimate. Setup is straightforward on both projectors, and each one offers optical flexibility that can make fitting a large image into your space much easier. So it all comes down to this: which one should you choose? I would recommend the JMGO N3 4K if you mainly watch movies and television in the evening, have reasonable control over your room's lighting, and want premium picture quality without paying for performance you may rarely use. Then on the other hand, there's the JMGO N3 Ultimate. And if your room receives plenty of ambient light, you regularly play fast-paced games, watch daytime sports, or simply want the strongest overall performance in the N3 lineup, the Ultimate is the way to go. That concludes my comparison of the N3 series. I'm Matthew Rondina for Best Buy Blog. Thank you so much for watching. For more information on the JMGO projector line, visit bestbuy.ca. And you can also head over to Best Buy Blog for more projector reviews, comparisons, and buying advice.